We know more about space than our own ocean. Here are 10 mind-blowing facts about the ocean. Fact 1. Only 5% of the ocean is explored. More than 70% of Earth is covered by ocean, yet humans have explored less than 5% of it. Most of the deep sea remains completely unknown, hidden under miles of dark water. Scientists believe millions of species still live down there, unseen by humans. New creatures are discovered almost every year, many of them strange and unlike anything on land. The ocean floor has mountains, trenches, and entire landscapes we barely understand. In fact, we have mapped more of the Moon and Mars than our own ocean. This means that right now, beneath the waves, unknown worlds still exist, silent, dark, and waiting to be discovered. Fact 1. Only 5% of the ocean is explored. More than 70% of Earth is covered by ocean, yet humans have explored less than 5% of it. Most of the deep sea remains completely unknown, hidden under miles of dark water. Scientists believe millions of species still live down there, unseen by humans. New creatures are discovered almost every year, many of them strange and unlike anything on land. The ocean floor has mountains, trenches, and entire landscapes we barely understand. In fact, we have mapped more of the Moon and Mars than our own ocean. This means that right now, beneath the waves, unknown worlds still exist, silent, dark, and waiting to be discovered. Fact 2. The ocean produces over half of Earth's oxygen. Most people think forests produce the oxygen we breathe, but the ocean actually creates more than half of it. Tiny organisms called phytoplankton live near the surface of the ocean and use sunlight to produce oxygen through photosynthesis. These microscopic life forms are responsible for every second breath you take. Without the ocean, life on Earth would not survive. However, pollution and climate change are threatening these fragile organisms. If the ocean ecosystem collapses, the balance of oxygen on our planet could change dramatically. The ocean is not just water, it is the invisible engine that keeps Earth alive. Fact 3. The Mariana Trench is deeper than Everest is tall. The deepest place on Earth is the Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean. Its deepest point, known as Challenger Deep, reaches about 36,000 feet, deeper than Mount Everest is tall. At this depth, sunlight cannot reach, and the pressure is over 1,000 times stronger than at sea level. It is so intense that it could crush a human instantly. Only a few missions have ever reached this extreme depth. Despite the darkness and crushing pressure, scientists have discovered strange life forms living there, proving that life can survive in even the most extreme environments on Earth. Fact 4. The ocean has rivers and lakes underwater. Deep beneath the ocean's surface, scientists have discovered something incredible: rivers and lakes that exist underwater. These formations are created by extremely salty water called brine, which is heavier than normal seawater. Because of this, it flows like a river along the ocean floor. Some underwater lakes even have waves and shores, just like those on land. However, these environments are extremely toxic and deadly to most creatures. Many animals that accidentally swim into these brine pools do not survive. These hidden rivers and lakes show how strange and alien the deep ocean truly is. Fact 5. Bioluminescent creatures glow in the darkness. In the deep ocean, where sunlight never reaches, many creatures produce their own light. This natural glow is called bioluminescence. Fish, jellyfish, and even tiny plankton use light to hunt, communicate, and defend themselves. Some creatures flash suddenly to scare predators, while others glow constantly like living lanterns in the dark. The famous anglerfish uses a glowing lure to attract prey before striking. In the deep sea, light means survival. Scientists believe most deep-sea creatures can produce some form of light, turning the dark ocean into a hidden world of glowing life. Fact 6. The ocean is home to giant creatures. The ocean is home to the largest animals that have ever lived on Earth. The blue whale is bigger than any dinosaur, reaching lengths of over 30 meters. Giant squid, rarely seen by humans, can grow to terrifying sizes and live in the deep darkness. Some ancient sea creatures have barely changed for millions of years. The vast size of the ocean allows these giants to survive unseen. Even today, scientists are not certain how many large creatures remain undiscovered in the deep sea. The ocean's size hides secrets far beyond human imagination. Fact 7. The deep sea pressure can crush steel. As you descend deeper into the ocean, pressure increases dramatically. At extreme depths, the pressure becomes so strong it can crush metal structures. Submarines built to explore deep waters must be specially designed to survive this force. Without protection, a human would not survive even seconds. Despite these harsh conditions, life still exists. Strange, resilient creatures adapted to crushing pressure and total darkness. Studying these life forms helps scientists understand how life might survive on other planets with extreme environments. Fact 8. There are more shipwrecks than you think. Millions of shipwrecks lie scattered across the ocean floor. Some are ancient, dating back thousands of years, while others disappeared only decades ago. These wrecks become artificial reefs, creating ecosystems for marine life. Some shipwrecks still hold mysteries, missing crews, unexplained disappearances, and lost cargo. The ocean has preserved many of these ships in cold, dark water, turning them into underwater time capsules. Exploring these wrecks helps historians and scientists understand the past, but many still remain hidden beneath the sea. Fact 9. Strange sounds come from the deep ocean. Scientists have recorded mysterious sounds from the deep ocean that remain unexplained. One of the most famous is called the bloop, a powerful underwater sound detected in 1997. At first, scientists believed it could be an unknown giant creature. Later, they suggested it might be ice cracking in the Antarctic. However, many deep ocean sounds still have no clear explanation. The ocean is vast and mostly silent, yet sometimes it produces strange signals from the darkness below, reminders of how little we truly know about the deep sea. Fact 10. We know more about space than our own ocean. Despite living on a water planet, humans know more about space than about the deep ocean. Space missions have mapped distant planets, while most of the ocean floor remains unexplored. The deep sea is difficult and dangerous to study due to darkness, pressure, and cold temperatures. Scientists believe the ocean still hides unknown species, geological structures, and secrets about Earth's history. The ocean is Earth's final frontier, a mysterious world beneath the waves that humanity has only just begun to explore. If you liked this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing facts.